Hello everyone, welcome to the Wellness Watchers channel. Today, we will discuss the incredible health benefits of combining green tea and cloves as a daily beverage. Stay with us as we dig deep into the advantages these items offer to our bodies. From boosting immunity to promoting heart health, you'll discover why incorporating green tea and cloves into your daily routine can be the ultimate game changer for your overall well-being. Keep watching to also see warnings about these two ingredients to ensure safe consumption. Number 1. Powerful antioxidant properties. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants such as catechins and polyphenols, which destroy harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing oxidative stress and reducing cellular damage, thus promoting overall health and longevity. A study published in the Journal of Food Science in 2016 examined the antioxidant capacity of catechins in green tea and found them to be effective in protecting cells from oxidative damage. Number 2. Enhanced brain function and mental health. The presence of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea can lead to improved brain function and enhanced cognitive performance. Caffeine provides a mild stimulant effect, while L-theanine promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety, resulting in increased focus and mental clarity. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the journal Nutrients in 2017 highlights the cognitive-enhancing effects of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea. Number 3. Weight management and metabolism boost. Catechins in green tea have been found to aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and promoting fat oxidation. Regular consumption of green tea can help in burning more calories and assist in weight loss efforts. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition in 2018 demonstrates that green tea extract significantly increased fat oxidation and energy expenditure, suggesting its potential role in weight management. Number 4. Cardiovascular health support. Green tea consumption has been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. The polyphenols in green tea have been shown to improve cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of stroke and heart attacks. A meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2011 concludes that green tea consumption is associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. Here are some cautions about green tea. While green tea is incredibly beneficial, excessive consumption can have some side effects due to its caffeine content. Be mindful of caffeine sensitivity and try not to exceed 2 to 3 cups per day. Pregnant women and individuals with iron deficiency should consult their healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of green tea. Also, people on blood-thinning medications should exercise caution, as green tea contains vitamin K, which can interact with these medications. Next, let's discuss how the addition of cloves to green tea can enhance the benefits of green tea and provide powerful benefits for your body. Cloves are dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree and have been valued for their aromatic and medicinal properties for centuries. Here are its health benefits. Number 1. Antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Cloves possess potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties thanks to compounds like eugenol in cloves, which possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. According to a study published in the journal Frontiers in Microbiology in 2022, eugenol can help combat bacterial and fungal infections in the body, promoting overall health and preventing illnesses. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Research published in the journal Molecules in 2021 highlights that eugenol and other bioactive compounds in cloves exhibit strong anti-inflammatory properties, making them beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions like arthritis and gastrointestinal issues. Number 3. Digestive health support. Cloves can help to alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort. A research article published in the Journal of Experimental and Toxicologic Pathology in 2015 discussed the gastroprotective effects of cloves. Cloves also aid in improving digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes, reducing indigestion, and relieving bloating and gas. Number 4. Dental health properties. A study published in the Journal of Natural Science, Biology, and Medicine in 2013 highlighted the antimicrobial efficacy of cloves against various oral pathogens. Eugenol in cloves acts as a natural analgesic and antiseptic, making them valuable for dental health. Clove oil or clove-infused mouthwashes can alleviate toothache, gum infections, and bad breath. Number 5. Liver health protection. Eugenol in cloves has shown promise in protecting the liver from damage caused by toxins and promoting liver function. A study published in the Journal of Food Research in 2017 explored the hepatoprotective effects of cloves extract and confirmed its potency in the reduction of hepatotoxicity. Number 6. Immune system booster. A study published in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine in 2016 investigated cloves' immunomodulatory effects. Cloves contain various essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. These nutrients play significant roles in supporting the immune system's function and overall health. The antioxidants in cloves help strengthen the immune system, aiding the body in defending against infections. Here are some cautions about cloves. While cloves are generally safe for consumption in culinary amounts, clove oil and supplements should be used with caution. Ingesting large quantities of clove oil can lead to nausea and vomiting. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid excessive consumption of cloves as it may cause uterine contractions. Always dilute clove oil properly before use and consult a healthcare professional before using it as a remedy. Finally, to prepare this beverage, crush 3 to 5 cloves, add it to your cup, then add your green tea in hot water, let it steep for 3 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of honey if desired, stir, and enjoy. Green tea and cloves are both extraordinary gifts from nature, packed with numerous health benefits supported by scientific research. By incorporating these superfoods into your daily life, you can enhance your well-being and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. Remember to enjoy these ingredients in moderation and consult your healthcare provider if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Stay healthy, and we will see you soon.